In this video, I'm going to show you how you can clone elements and slides in forms, surveys, and quizzes. Cloning keeps styling and settings intact. So let's say you are creating many different applications form, you are scaling and you're hiring people. So instead of recreating these forms from scratch over and over again, you can just now clone the elements within the form, which will then contain the brand colors that you've set up, for example, and other settings. Let me show you how that looks like. So first we want to navigate to sites on the left and then select forms or surveys or quizzes at the top. Let's start with a simple form. Click the add form button. Let's create one from scratch. Let's call it application form. Then on the left hand side you see the quick elements. Let's scroll all the way down to image. Let's say we want to add our logo, for example. Let's add the logo, upload it, and ta-da, here we go. Here we have a logo. Then let's add some custom text. Let's drag and drop the text over, add some text. And here on the right hand side, so let's say Roboto is our brand font. Let's minimize the size a little bit. And then you can see here the duplicate button. So instead of needing recreate another text box and then adjusting all of your font family here, the font color and all of that, you can just do that once and then just keep copying it and adjusting the text here if you have a second text box. Okay, so add your other text and you can see the font stays the same. So elements can be cloned in forms, surveys, and quizzes to reuse these configured inputs such as the text, images, and question blocks. Now let me show you how to clone entire slides. That you can only do inside of surveys and quizzes, not in forms. So let's create a new survey here. Click plus new, give it a name, add your elements, full name, date of birth and phone, and email, for example, right? And then same as before, we just want to add our logo. Upload the logo, and for every single slide of that particular application form, for example, you want to show your logo, right? You don't want to have an empty second slide. So all you want to do is just click clone slide, and here we go. It cloned the image, the privacy policy, and the terms of service. Let's hit save. Let's go into quizzes. Let's create a quiz from scratch. Hit create. Let's give it a name. Let's add our questions, short answers, multi drop down, for example. And again, my favorite thing that you want to clone is the logo. And right here you can see, let's add a text. Let's change the font to Open Sans, for example. And here we can go ahead and clone every single element. So the text, the logos, even the questions, and the single choice boxes, for example, and the entire slides as well. Ta-da! And that's how easily you can clone text blocks, images, as well as entire slides inside forms, surveys, and quizzes. I hope you like this feature that will help you to scale your form creation, may it be a quiz, a service, or a simple form. And be sure to check out our other videos that will help you to get better at using the CRM. I will see you in the next one. For more information about this particular feature or any other feature, check out the Content Army YouTube playlist as well as the help doc library linked in the show notes below and our blog.